Hello parents, and welcome to our virtual open house. I'm Mr. Wheeler, and I teach English, literature, and multimedia productions. So behind me I have my class website, and I want to guide you through the various resources that you can get out of this class. So the first thing is that if you scroll down a little bit, you can see some videos that I made. The first one is an introduction to the students that I made about me. And the second one is a deeper dive into my class expectations. But basically, if I were to simplify it, it's show up to class, be in your uniform, have your camera on, and have your mic muted initially when in the class. And then in the video, I go into more about ready to learn and being the solution, and that's really how I frame my class expectations. Also, if you go all the way down to the bottom of the page, you'll see my contact information, which I now realize is behind me. So we need to make that change. So okay, so there you go. You can see the contact information. Please email me anytime you have any concerns, because I check my email multiple times a day, and I'm generally pretty sharp about getting back to you within 24 hours. So let's talk a little bit more about the classes that I teach and the expectations specific to those classes. Let's take a look at literature. So if we go up to the corner of the page over here, so literature is where we read, and the textbook that we're going to use is Springboard. And I have posted information on the page over here about Springboard. And in a couple of weeks, we are also going to start our class novel, which is Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. And I can't even tell you right now how excited I am to teach that novel, but I did make a video about it on this page too. So if you want to take a look at my video as to why I want to teach it and how excited I am about it, then please check out the video that I posted as well. And of course, at the bottom of this page, I also have a class calendar, and this is directly connected to the classroom calendar. So any assignments that I post in literature should show up on this calendar. And as you can see, there are some assignments here behind me already. But ultimately, as long as my students come in and they are actually following along with the readings that we are doing and completing their assignments on Google Classroom and turning them in, then I have no doubt that they'll all find success in this class. And that's my class, ladies and gentlemen. So thank you for your time and attention. And again, don't forget that if you need to contact me, then my email is over here. And so you can simply contact me when you need me, and I will be happy to respond and talk to you. Otherwise, I am looking forward to a very interesting, challenging but interesting school year. I'm looking forward to it.